What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Nike basketball shoe. As you guys can see from the box, Kevin Wayne Durant. So we are about to be taking a look at a KD. Taking a look at the box. We have a perforated Nike check on the box. This is a Nike basketball shoe, as you guys can see. Taking a look at the label here, we have Nike Zoom KD 12 Energy Release. Regular standard paper. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Here we have the Nike Zoom KD 12 in hand. As you guys can see right here from the logo on the back, this is the Eybl edition. To my knowledge, it's going to be a regional release for these. Like this one right here, I think it's for the United States. And I believe overseas, they have another colorway to this same shoe, the KD 12. Also on the heel, we have another tab that says 12th edition 2019 and 2020. And on the other side, it has his full name, Kevin Wayne Durant. These colors, to me, they actually are pretty dope. They almost kind of remind me of like an Easter colorway or something like that. They definitely kind of freak these joints out a little bit. It's like, man, you got some polka dot going on, some flower detailing going on, more polka dots here on the Nike sign, and it's actually kind of textured as well. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, we have some more detailing here, letting you know that it's fly wire throughout this whole upper. Taking a look inside of the shoe, they pretty much just have his name written in the inside of the shoe. The bottom of the shoe is actually pretty dope too. It's kind of like a translucent sole all the way throughout with like little details. The only thing that's different on either shoe is instead of having the Eybl logo right there on the back of the right shoe, they just have the KD logo. And also on the inside of this one, they have like a Nike Zoom little logo to let you know exactly what's in this this midsole. I don't think it's like the first basketball shoe that I've shown on the channel. Like, of course, Jordan Brand is like technically a basketball shoe, but ain't nobody hooping in them joints. It's more so for fashion. These right here, you can actually put on the court and actually hoop in. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. FineLine1721.com. They are shipping out right now as we speak. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth. Enjoy life. Bless up.